Well, if you're looking for love, honey, I'm tougher than the rest. Some girls, they want a handsome dad, or some good-looking Joe on their own. Some girls like sweet talking Romeo. Well,